The position of a particle as a function of time is given by x is equal at plus bt square minus ct cube, where a, b, c are constants. When the particle attains zero acceleration, then velocity will be. Well, the moment when the acceleration is zero, we need to find out the velocity. So what we need to do first, given that x equal to at plus bt square minus ct cube. So if we differentiate, we will get velocity. So after differentiation, it will be a plus 2bt minus 3c t square. Okay. Then again, after differentiation of velocity, we are going to get acceleration. But I am putting the symbol of acceleration a dash only, because already one a is already there as a constant, which is not acceleration. That is why the symbol of acceleration I am taking a dash. Okay. So a dash is nothing but again differentiation of v only. So it is a constant, so its differentiation will be 0, and its differentiation is 2b, and that's differentiation is 6ct. So this is the acceleration expression. So now the question is when the acceleration is 0. So if a dash is 0, so we need to find out first the time, and that time will be put in the velocity. Okay. So let me calculate that time. So 2b minus 6ct equal to 0. So it means t is equal 2b upon 6c. So t equal to b upon 3c. Okay. At this time, the acceleration will be 0. But at this time, what is the velocity? So velocity equal to means at this particular time. Huh? So v equal to a plus 2b into b by 3c. So I have put the value of t minus 3c t square, means b square upon 9c square. Well, so after calculation of all these things, a plus b square by 3c. The second B part is the correct option.